I can annotate my screen too. Let me try to make it bigger so that way everything can be annotated. Green. Exit menu view. Okay, this is probably good. Like, no, cancel. How did I? Huh, let's see here. Cancel. Oh, I know where it is. Okay. I'm just going to exit menu view here. Big view, menu view. And then I go to this one at the bottom. Ah, okay, now I remember. All right. I think I'm ready now.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the 5-minute range. Too bad it's really sloppy, but here's the 5-minute range right here. You could short that, right? Probably put your stop above this pivot. And go in half.
That stuff barely moved, man.
I know, right? The gap, I think, was too big. Also, yeah, I think it was just too big.
Yeah, that's why.
I jumped in there too. I jumped in there after this. Cocky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wrote it down a little bit. I noticed this to the left.
Yeah.
All those wicks. So I figured probably gonna bounce. Took a partial. And then pretty much got out right there. So that was my trade. And looking at
it. There's some movement to it, but nothing major, isn't it?
Yeah, oh, let me do this too. This volume needs to be down a little bit. There we go. Now we can see a little bit better the actual rises and peaks. There was a nice level. You see this level, a level 3 across there at the end of the day.
Yep.
It could have worked for a little bit, right? Stop, move down, get out. Above the pivot, you break even. And then you got this transition trade. I don't know if you can see it pretty well, but you see right here?
Yeah.
This is a good example because you see the 20 the whole entire time. The 20 has been above priced, right?
Yeah.
It's been above price. Even this was a 20 break and fail. Could have shorted that, right? Down to there, right?
Yeah.
That level 1 over the 20 break and fail. And then what ends up happening is you start getting this resistance right there, right?
Yep.
And so you basically have a level 3. And you have the 20 now on the opposite side. So if this was earlier in the day, like right around here in the day, doing that, oh, here, like right here, this thing, if it stayed above this and just chop, and then broke out, that 20 is now underneath price, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think that would have basically gone up to there. You see that kind of thing?
Yeah.
So it makes sense that, look what happened. It happened later in the day. So here's your entry, your stop loss under here, and look where it ended up going. To this pivot.
Yeah.
So it's fascinating how it just works that way, you know?
Yeah.
Like, this broke down, went down here, started producing higher lows, broke out, went up to here, one more time, and that was it. That pivot. So that's OMC. I'm looking, if I pull up the daily, I wonder.
The daily, yeah, it's gapped down, which is
Let me see. Oh, that's not the daily. That's a 1 minute time frame. Hold on.
Yeah,
5 minute. I'm gonna do this. Put a star on that, and then put a star on the daily here. That way we got daily here. Yeah, if I go to the daily, I can see why it bounced around here. Look at this. You know, all these previous levels.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes sense to stop there. So all right, let's pull up the next one. The 5 minute time frame. And IPG. You traded this one, right?
Yeah, I traded that one.
Yeah, this one was a good one. Look at that.
Yeah.
Gap right there. Goes. Look at this. This is what I love. Look at that. Bar. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to this thing. No new low. No new low. No new low. No new low.
Yep.
Breaks out over this little area. Gets stuffed and makes a 5 minute new low right at the 8 period moving average. You could take it right here, or you could take it underneath the VWAP if you wanted, right here. Or you could wait for the bar to close, take it right here. All right? And then you get that 3-bar play afterwards. Take it right here. And then, yeah, I remember we added to it right here. Came down, I got out right here. You stayed in it.
Yeah.
And then I remember thinking, if it breaks down again, maybe I'll take it short again. I think I took it short right here, and then I quickly got out right there. What I should have done, though?
I stay all the way down to that 3 ball in a row.
You stayed you got this whole move?
Not the whole move.
That's beautiful.
I stayed until 12 o'clock because I have to go to work.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, I stayed.
That's good.
A little bit after
Finally
that.
got the move.
Yeah, right there. Yep.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's
I got out on the 3rd ball.
Also, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at this too. If I think if I had been around,
yeah.
Sometimes it's funny because you want to trade a stock and it's just not going.
Yeah.
But then it changes its tune later on.
Yeah.
Like it starts. Let me make this a little thinner. Like this. Look at this. Like if you draw the line kind of across here.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's just a retest.
Yep.
So that could have been a short.
This one I trade really good. I really like the way I manage this thing. It just stay under the 8, and I just go ball by ball and with the 8 moving average.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and I mean there are some ways to take me out partially, but then I wait, and then I also add in I think once, and then just take me out partial on a couple of times, add in a couple of times.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Look at this one. I would probably argue the entire best setup on this entire chart.
That's that part right there was nice.
Yeah, right there.
Around
single bar. I mean, right at the 20, right? 20. And then that's all you're risking is this bar right there. And like within this little span of time, you get like 1, 2, 3, and then that wide range bar.
Mm-hmm.
You could even, I would probably exit there and then exit over the pivot. Yeah, the pivot right there. Now, I don't even know what happens later, but if this pivot, that pivot being broken, I bet you, my thought is this. Oh, my bad. My thought is if it broke the pivot, let's see what it does. Does it make a new low after breaking the pivot? No, I guess not. But it had a nice, another break right here. Yeah. Another short there. So look at that.
A lot of stock would have bounced up, but this stock is so weak that it stayed down.
Yeah. This is nice. PDD. That was a something that let's BBD. Oh yeah, this is the one that you mentioned going long right here. And the funny thing is, you mentioned even getting out right here too. See, you were saying like maybe we should go long on PDD, and I was like, I don't know. You know, the 20's right here,
Yeah.
8's right here, the VWAP's right here, and we started off with a big gap right here, and we shot up and then sold off, and then we tried to bounce right here. So I was thinking like, I don't know if this is a good odds trade because we tried to bounce here, we failed, and I thought we were going to probably go like this
Mm.
and then go down like
Yeah.
that, you know. But the thing is, it wasn't a bad idea. You know, I mean, what's even if I'm wrong on the trade, I can always go short. So I should have just gone long right there, level 1 break,
Yeah, it's
right? Or right here,
yeah, it's
level 2
formed
break.
that wedge. That's why I'm thinking that there's a lot of fighting right there.
Did you take it long right there that way?
I did not. I guess I should have. I guess I just wasn't too confident in it. Maybe if I
Yeah.
just take it small.
That was my fault because it was a good spot now that I think about it. You see all that support?
Yeah.
So it makes sense that it bounced. And then the cool thing is all this supply from earlier
Mm.
came into the stock. And when the stock tried to go higher, it finally formed this. And I don't think this would have been a bad short right here. With your stop, you know, above here.
In hindsight, it's a great place to take a short. So.
Yeah. And then the cool thing is, look at this. Let's say you miss this short. Like, let's say you're like, oh, you know, maybe I should do a short up here because of that under here. And you didn't take it because you didn't feel good.
Yeah.
Well, then you got this.
Yeah.
And that's under the 20.
Yeah.
Under the 8 again. So you know you're going to get some move at least back down to here. That's your target.
Yeah. So I mean that's only one all short.
Yeah, only one R, but high odds, right? Like I mean.
That's true.
And then it got all choppy. I don't know really how to trade all this. I guess I would look at it like for a level 3 right here, short it, put my stop here, and I probably would have been freaking out all over this stuff, and I probably would have gotten out probably right here.
Yeah, one of the stock that we trade today that I lose was Tulio.
Oh, okay. Let me pull that up. TWLO. Oh man. Whoa, what the?
I think you showed it, didn't you?
Let's see. I don't know. Did I short it? I don't think I did. Because I don't think I got a good setup on it. Oh yeah, no, you're right. You're right. I did actually.
I think you did, but you didn't.
Oh no, I didn't. Maybe I did this one. I think I just did this one. I was looking at this thinking, I don't think I was even trading at this time.
Yeah, I think I went long and then you saw that went down. You showed it and like, oh crap.
Yeah, I think I did this setup right here.
Yeah.
Short, and then just took a little partial here, and then stopped out break even again. And then it went down again, and I just said, screw with it. I'm not going to mess with it. And then I think I remember we were mentioning like, you know, like basically the new high failures.
Yeah.
Right? That could have been a good short. Back down.
Yeah.
And then this could have been a great long at the moving average. 20. And the 8.
I think I mentioned that this could be a triple top or something. Who knows?
Yeah.
It's kind of did that, and then it just shot right up. And
what's crazy is this. Like, just imagine you're in this stock and you see this. You see this. you're like you get in long and you get this. Do you think for a second that this is gonna collapse? No, right? It looks beautiful. It looks like it's gonna probably consolidate, maybe go higher, and then this take your partial right there,
Yep.
and then
Exactly.
you're like you get a pivot, start forming, and you're out there break even unless you're stubborn. And then now you're sitting there going, what the heck? Okay, maybe it'll bounce at VWAP. Maybe it'll bounce at VWAP. And so you buy in ahead of time, anticipating,
Yep.
and then you get this,
Ah,
and then you average down. You average down.
yep.
Oh my gosh, you're averaging. Okay, maybe it'll hold right here at this pivot.
Right.
Oh,
Oh my
shit.
god.
Oh shit. Okay, maybe it'll hold right here. Now you're down like 30 R's.
Yeah. It's kind of important on setting your stop loss when you enter a trade.
Oh gosh, I know, right? And being strict with accepting a break even trade, even if you thought like, oh, it was going to be amazing, because sometimes these amazing, like this looks amazing,
Yeah.
and this honestly is probably all this wide range is probably because of this, because of the thought that everyone was thinking this is going to be so good, and then they're all just running for the door, freaking out.
Well, let's say I went long. Let's just say that. Let's say I went in at the VWAP long.
Yeah,
Because I done
like
that.
special sauce.
Yeah, I done that today with MS or something like that.
Yeah, so you jump in here at the end of this bar, expecting it to go up,
Yeah.
and it starts cracking under. Would you get out right away?
I actually set to get out right away. Yeah.
Oh, good. Well then,
But
there's nothing wrong with that strategy.
let's say I did.
Oh, you
Let's say I
did
did.
it.
No, let's assume that I did. So
Okay.
I would wait for the whole candle to finish
Yeah,
and then put my stop below that, so that would have prevent me from getting more loss.
that's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
at least you got, at least you have a system in place
Yeah.
for anticipating. Whereas like someone like the Mad Ass guy, his system is, and same with Dekmar. All these guys' ideas is they draw. They're not wrong, but they'll draw like they'll see. Just imagine we don't see any of this for a second.
Yeah.
We don't see any of this. We don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But they'll draw a line like this, and they'll draw a line like this. And they'll say, I'm going to buy a dip when Twilio comes back down to this area. So Dekmar will jump in, like right here.
It's not. I
And
mean,
then
it's
it's-
not bad, but I guess in
Yeah.
this case, just
Starts
Yeah.
going against him, and he'll then take the $500,000 loss or whatever it is, because he doesn't even know what his risk unit is. So he'll just go jump in like 1,000 shares.
yeah.
And then the Mad Ass guy, he's worse. He'll jump in, and then as it's dropping, he adds more, just in sidebars, just randomly, like, oh, add more, and then it starts bouncing, and he's like, okay, if I can just get back up to here, I'll be break even. So it starts coming up, starts going down, starts coming up. He starts taking partials out, and then he may stop out of the whole thing right here, and he's got this huge loss that he didn't,
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just really bad idea. Let's see what else is we got. We got
Check out
ABC. Oh, sorry, what's that?
check out MS.
MS. Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's it.
if I have stayed in it, it would have been pretty good too.
Yeah, that was my short right there.
So
Very simple.
I on MS I took a long on that opening range. But I got in kind of late. But I just go bar by bar.
Right there.
Yeah. Well, I got in a little bit higher, kind of near the top of that wick.
Oh, that's just bad fill, right?
No, just chasing.
Oh, okay. All right.
But I went in small. I didn't go in big. And then once
Okay.
once I break above that candle after that red ball. I add to that.
Okay, nice.
No, I add down a little bit. Yeah, no, up above that candle. Right there. Yeah, I.
Oh, so you're doing like almost like a oh Al Brooks. Just kind
Yeah,
of add it.
yeah. Just add on a new high
Uh-huh.
and go ball by ball.
Yeah.
And eventually I stop out below that green candle.
Yeah. I took this short, locked in some
Oh,
profits here. Took this short.
oh, I took that long on that VWAP bounce.
Oh yeah, I remember hearing you say that. And
Yeah, I took right,
oh,
and then I got
only
stopped out
reason why I
below
took
that.
that short. Yeah. Only reason why I took that short is this is the 8 period moving average,
Yeah,
which is basically the 2 minute 20 period moving average essentially.
yeah,
Like if we watch, if we go to a 2 minute, you'll see how closely it is.
yeah.
Oh, sorry, hold on, let me go there. 2 minute. Watch what happens. You see? Wait, no, that's not it. So you see?
Yeah, right around there.
Yeah, so there's the 20.
Yeah, that's where I went in.
That's where I
That's
shorted
where
right
I
here.
shorted. Just bounce around
And
a
that's
little
where I
bit.
covered. Where I covered. And then I think I just got out break even again because see that spike back up.
Yeah,
And then I just watched it. But yeah, I'm looking at it. You see, this is kind of cool. Look what happens. It starts.
I know. It's going
Yeah.
sideways and then it's not going up.
Yeah, especially this. Yeah, right there. All that price consolidation. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's starting to go higher. This is hard to hold through, though. Look at that.
I
mean,
know.
it's easy to look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. In hindsight, but oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Just imagine. Yeah.
If you can hold it and for the ball to finish, then it would be works better.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at that. Some of those bottoming wick are like just kind of insane. It's so long.
Yeah. I like this setup though. 3 bars, pull back, 20.
Oh,
Inside
yeah,
bar.
I see. Yeah.
And then long with your stop underneath the 20. This way, if it goes up, starts rolling over and goes down, you can short it.
Yeah.
Because it's now underneath the 20.
Yeah.
But I don't even know how I'd hold through this because you'd get in, this wick would come back, stop you out break even. You'd want to jump in again. You'd go up, this would come back down, stop you out break even. You would jump in again.
So I guess for this move we have to let the stop be really wide.
Yeah, but the thing is, how do we know that that's going to occur in the future, right? It's like, I don't know what the stock's going to do. So it's hard to adjust your management styles without knowing, like having an idea in advance. But that's hard. I mean, yeah, it was a tough one. There's also GS, Goldman Sachs.
Yeah.
That one, I think I shorted as well.
Yeah. Let me see.
I did this. Short right there.
You showed it, right? Oh crap, I showed it also.
Yeah, short right there. Got down to about 3 bars, took a partial.
Yeah.
And then I think I must have gotten...
I think I took a partial at the 8 moving average.
Yeah.
I think you did the same
right,
thing.
I did that.
Yeah, you did the same thing, and then the next green ball, and then above that I got out. So
yeah.
So I managed that like that. Gotta have another short later on too.
Look at this. It's fascinating. Look at that. Underneath the 20.
Yeah.
This is where people get really trapped because look.
Yeah.
I would think. Oh, sorry, my bad drawing, but I would think if you can kind of draw a line across these wicks. I would think this would have been short right there with this coming over. And then it doesn't go, and then I would have thought, okay, if it gets under here, this one, that's the short.
No, I think the next that wick right there.
Yeah.
That wick right there. No, a little bit higher. I might want to short that.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Because it's doing that pattern.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a tough one.
Yeah.
And then it goes up, traps everybody thinking it's a long,
Yeah.
right? Above here. And then you gotta get out break even. And then finally, at the end of the day, it does the rollover.
Yeah.
So this is the type of stock that I have to learn that if I try it and I fail,
Yeah.
and then I try it long and I fail, and then I see it going down again, I finally get the move.
Yeah.
That'll take care of the 2 losses.
Mm.
But usually after 3 times, if I lose 3 times on it, there's just no way I can do it, you know.
No, like not only that, but then your emotional is probably gonna messed up. So
Yeah, I wouldn't even be able to hold
yeah.
all the way.
Yep.
Um,
The other stock that we trade was ASML.
oh, ASML, okay. Oh yeah, ASML, I got that written down.
Oh,
Oh wow,
yeah. I missed the whole move, but I got some of it.
That's good right here. Is that what we did?
No. Well,
No, okay.
let me see.
Oh, did we do, oh, we did this?
So for me, I got in at 10:15.
Oh, I remember this one. Yeah. This one is expensive stock.
Yeah, like $700.
Yeah. I think I shorted this one right here.
Yep.
And I'm going to stop above here.
Yep.
And then I think I got out like right break even. Oh no, yeah, I got break even out right here. And then
I held through all the way until that small red candle. That's where I got out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think yeah, now I remember it was this short 3-bar play.
Yeah.
Add to the position.
Oh, you add?
I think so.
I didn't add at all.
Okay. Oh no, I didn't. No, you're right. I remember you asking me, should we add? And I said it's too close. I think it's too close to my original position. I'd rather add if it's lower.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't think I added. I think I just reduced my stop loss above this right here. And I think I was out of it, and I didn't think I traded any of this. And then when I saw this happen,
yeah. Oh,
I went long.
You went long, yeah.
Stop below here, and I got a nice move on it all the way up here. And then I saw this. You see?
Yeah. Nice.
I said, oh, that's the top. And that's where you could short it.
That's where I went short, yeah.
Yeah. And then I was saying, I would look to short it underneath the pivot.
I went
this level.
I shorted like right where the top gap is. Top
right here?
No. The next
Oh,
bar.
right here?
Yeah, the top
Right
that
here?
one. No, up, back a little bit. Top of that red bar. Yeah, right there. So that's where I showed it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. And then when it comes to that small red bar doji, I add to it. Right there, yeah.
Wow, that's incredible.
But then I didn't hold through it. I hold only, let's see, I hold I hold until, let me see, I hold until like 9 o'clock because that's when I need to get ready for work. So I let it go to 9 o'clock and then 12 o'clock on Eastern time, and
Okay.
but
Yeah, I
once
like this idea. Shorting here, level 1, adding at the
yeah,
level 2,
yep,
bar by bar,
just create a
partial.
bunch of level. It's just so nice.
Yeah, partial right here, put a pivot, put a stop above the pivot, and then add underneath this level
Yeah,
right here, and then partial again, stop above the pivot, bar by bar. Oh, take 3, 1, 2, 3, partial, stop above the pivot, partial, stop above this pivot, new low failure right here, and then I'm out. And then let's see what happens. I probably missed so much. Let's see. Oh, well, it did. Yeah, I guess this was an attempt, I guess. Just like this, look at it. It's almost like a mirror image.
yep.
Boom.
I know.
And then boom again. Oh, that's so funny.
I know this mirror image is so nice. Like sometimes you see that it's fighting and it look like could be the bottom, and then once you break that bottom, it's to go one more leg. It's like you flip the mirror.
Yeah.
That's just so amazing about that.
Yeah. What about IBKR? IBKR. I remember mentioning we were looking at that, and I was like thinking, this is the gap. Oh yeah, look at this. So
I never tried this one.
that could have been long right there.
Yeah.
See all this? That's a level 3
Yeah.
because of all these wicks, you know. And then breaks. You're up in here. You're up here. You're probably going to take a partial into the 20. Come back out.
That one should have gone up to more, I think, if it's on a different, if it's gapped up or something.
Yeah. This one's tricky. Look at that. Look at that. All that spike. The chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop. Oh, we're going higher. Nope, we're going lower. Oh, here's the final setup. After all that breakdown, here's the retest. The retest of that of all those levels, and then here's the short right there. A level 1. You get 3 bars in your favor, right? 1, 2, 3. And it comes back up. And then you get this. That's nice. This thing right here.
It does seem like today some stuff are so hard to trade, huh?
Gosh, I know, yeah. Man.
AVTR is one that you wanna watch. You wanna go over.
And which one?
AVTR.
AVTR. Oh yeah, did we do that? We go over it?
We didn't trade it, but I don't think we go over yet.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To create that level right there and break.
Oh, so nice. And then
yeah, I think when I noticed when I tell you about it, that's when we create that little level right there.
Yeah.
We missed the moving range.
If we saw this, you saw this. Let me scoot it over. You're thinking about going long.
Yeah, we could just fall in the 8.
You're thinking about you're thinking that over there.
Yeah.
Now just imagine you go long over this 2660, right? 2160. Okay, you get triggered in by 1 penny. Now what are you going to do? Is your stop below this or is your stop below this?
That's hard. I guess just below the right there where the 8 moving average is.
And then look. Let's see.
it wouldn't stop me out yet.
The low is 2150, 2155.
The
And the
low
low of this
is
candle is
2154.
2154. Oh wow, so you're saved. And then this is where you add,
Yeah,
because they hit cocky,
yeah.
right? Like, so then that's nice. That's very nice. It goes up bar by bar.
I usually try to like set my stop like below the round number,
Oh, okay, that's smart.
so I might even go
Yeah.
lower.
Yeah, 2150. 2150, you know. Or half
Actually,
number.
no, I usually do 50. If it's 54, then I probably go down to 53 or 52.
Oh, yeah.
But 49 might be a better number to set my stop.
Yeah. Now look at this. This is the one that I was saying. Breaks out, new high,
Yeah.
but didn't have that good of enough consolidation, and then it cracks underneath. And if you don't get out right here, you have a chance to get out under here. And now you should definitely get out under here, and maybe even flip short.
It bounced right after VWAP.
Oh yeah, so you get a nice move, and then you get this pullback right there. It goes up. All right, let's see what it does. So now we're above the 20. You can go sideways and break out. Up, it's breaking underneath the 20. Okay, starting to put all these levels in here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, that's the short right there.
Wow, that's the sauce.
Oh yeah, and then back up. Wow. Oh, and then back. Gosh, what a nightmare. I would be shorting it under here for sure if it could get there, but nope. It goes back up. Right over this.
That doji is nice.
Gosh, to the end of the day, just playing with everybody. And look, it made a new high. Only to come back in again.
That doji is nice. I really like that doji.
Yeah. Those ones right here?
Yeah. No, the one at the high of day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That one I could honestly say I probably would get really frustrated with had I traded it. It would be a scalper's paradise, but it would be a long-term holding trade. It would be a nightmare.
Yeah, indeed.
You know, because you got so many little level ones that move, like level one.
I mean, you sit through all this battle and you're like, okay, finally, it's going. No, it's going back down. Like, oh gosh, it's gonna get out. So I mean, obviously you wanna let it stop you out, and it keep going back up. Like, oh, okay, this time it gotta be it. Nope, going back down.
I know, right? Yeah, all these level ones worked to a certain degree. Level one, short, as long as you're underneath the 20. And then you got, you know, this thing. But yeah, if you try something like breaking this high of day, you're just destroyed. But that's where I guess, you know, good money management, good risk management comes into play, because we don't know which ones are going to do the most amazing things, and we don't know which ones are going to give us a headache.
Yeah.
And we can always, you know, like Starbucks. I remember that one was pretty much a headache for me.
Really?
Oh my gosh, look at that. Then it started going. Look at that. 3 bars, move down, long. That's the best setup right there. Finally gets moving to the top. This is difficult. I shorted, I think, this. Got a little scalp, came back, break even. I think I didn't touch it after this. I was thinking about this, going along right here.
Yeah.
Over this level 3. And then you would have gotten a move, and then you would have gotten break even again. And then I would have been like thinking, okay, when it breaks out of this level 3, that's when I want to possibly get in, and then this would have. It's like, what the heck? Okay, finally, we're getting there. Okay, long. Nope, break even. Stop break even. Okay, long. Okay, great. Break even. Okay, long. Nope, break even. Gosh, what a nightmare. I don't know what's up with stocks. Why are they acting like that? So many shakeouts. Have you like look at how many Hikkakis there are in this just this 5-minute chart.
Yeah, it's someday the stock are just so difficult. And
Yeah,
someday
normally
it's
I don't
more-
see this. This is a huge amount of Hikkakis. Like here's a Hikkaki.
That's why someday you just have to scalp your trades.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean there's so many in here. But it was an inside day, I think.
Not inside
Oh.
day, just a doji day.
Oh yeah. I guess it finally inside the doji. And then finally broke out there.
Oh, for Starbucks?
Yeah, for Starbucks. Yeah.
I see.
Like if you see-
Yeah, the market looks like it might pull back tomorrow or something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think a lot of earnings either can push the stock to go up or pull back down. So
Yeah. Let's see, we got USB. Sorry, USB. I mentioned.
I have one
Nice
trade on
piece.
this one, and I fell.
You have what? Sorry, say that again on the USB.
I have one trade on it, this one, yeah, and I am lost on it. I went in
That's
too late.
nice. Oh, I remember you were thinking about shorting it, right?
I did, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I was thinking the stock is super bullish.
Yeah.
Because look at this.
I still have chase bet. Luckily, I didn't go in that big.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Huge candle in the morning.
Yep.
And then all this stuff would make me think that, oh, the moving averages will roll over, stock will do this, and then it'll roll over, right? Underneath this level.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that it went green and then kept going green and kept going. I could see a short right here.
That's where I sold it.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. So you get the move and then you stop out, break even. Dang. I don't even know what to think. Look at this. Just nasty.
Mm.
I can't really see any good setups in here. Because there's a Hikkaki right here. I mean, there's a Hikkaki right here. This is a Hikkaki. This is a Hikkaki. This is a Hikkaki. Oh my god. And then, of course, nasty drop at the end of the day. Ugh, yikes. Okay.
That drop is not that bad. It's just a little pullback to the moving average. And then the Tony.
Yeah. I mean, just imagine you're in this long from right here, and you're like, yeah, sweet, bar by bar.
3 bar, you already take a partial.
That's true. Yeah, you take a partial, and then this just stops you out break even again.
Yeah.
Normally, though, the thing is, you don't get like three, moves up, and then the single bar will stop you out break even. Normally, it's like you get a bar, it goes down a little bit. And it goes sideways, and then if it breaks down, then you're stopped. Then you can go, oh, okay, I'm stopped out, break even. But not in a single bar. I mean, that's nasty.
Yeah.
Like, there was STT. Oh, that movie. STT.
I traded that one
These are the
pretty
banks.
I think I did okay on it, but I don't know if I will make some money on it. Let me see. Ah,
There's
STT,
a
I'm
nice,
kind of break even.
there's a nice 5-minute opening range break. That's the candle I like to see on the first 5 minutes.
Yeah,
A doji candle.
I went in a little bit later. Yeah, right around there. That's where I went in.
That's nice. That's really nice. Stop there, bar by bar.
Yeah.
Your first partial here. And you see how this bar doesn't go and stop you out break even? You know, it's like you get your first partial, and then you're probably out right here
Yeah.
when that pivot breaks. And then it starts going lower high, and then of course, interesting enough, see where it goes back down?
Yeah. That's where I try to short it.
Oh! Yeah, that's tough. What was the other one that I think, oh yeah, shop. Oh yeah, shop. Oh gosh. I remember seeing this move. Freaking out about it.
My goodness.
Just failed.
That one is tough. It went below the VWAP. Sucked
Yeah.
right back up.
That's insane. I could see someone definitely that didn't have good money management would short this. And if they didn't stop out break even, they would be sitting here going, oh crap, okay, let me go long. Okay, great, I got a partial. And then this thing comes down. Stops you out break even. That's nasty. There's even gaps in it, so I don't know. This is interesting. Where it chose to go.
Yeah.
You know, just that level above there, and that level below there. I would definitely not expect this to happen.
Nope.
That's insane.
Definitely not.
But, interesting enough, let's say you miss this move, bar by bar, right? And then look, short.
Yeah.
And then you get a nice move. You get one R at least.
Even the first even the first red Rochi, you're like, okay, I want to short it.
Yeah.
The first red Rochi is around 245. Yeah, right there.
Oh no, right? Yeah.
But it's never triggered. It's never triggered.
Yeah. I've been doing really good at not anticipating because I normally would see that.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna short right now.
Yeah.
And then when it gets underneath it, I'll add. And then it's like, oh, okay, I gotta stop out. And then I go, oh shit, okay, I'll flip it long. I flip it long. I take it quickly out of the trade, so I got back my loss. And then I watch it go up without me. And then I try shorting it randomly at different spots. Oh, maybe I'll short it right here. Ah, shit, got a loss. Okay, maybe I'll short it right here. You know? And then finally I'm rewarded for anticipating it, which is stupid because all I had to do was just wait for that. That's good to see. And then there is, let me do this. This is fascinating. Let me do extended hours. Oh. Go to extended hours and go to Tesla. Here's the Ed strategy. 5-minute range, the first 5 minutes.
Tesla today? Holy
Yeah,
cow.
Tesla had earnings.
When is Tesla earning?
I guess it
Tomorrow?
didn't do good. No, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, it had earnings
Oh my
overnight.
gosh.
So you put your entry above here, or your entry right here.
Oh, Tesla already has earning.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Okay.
yeah. This would have been an interesting short. This one, you stop all the way up here. That had been tough, but it worked. And then this one was nice. All right, at the 20. Or sorry, well, the 8. And then you got that move. And we came back up, and now it's at the 20. And it ran out of time, but yeah, that's fascinating. See, I think Ed did trade Tesla today. Let's see. What did he do? Yeah. Oh wow, look at that buy setup. Pullback right there. First 5-minute new high. Stop right here. First 5-minute new low. Shorting. Stop right here. First 5-minute new high. Stop out underneath this red. This is messed up.
I know.
They really like to do that. Yeah. I think I covered everything. Did I go over IPG maybe?
Yeah, you did. You did.
Okay, IPG, ABTR.
ABTR. ABTR, yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, and then we went over Key, KEY.
Oh no, we haven't.
Okay, that's. Oh yeah, this is the one I. Okay, this one I traded and I didn't want to jump in again. Oh my gosh, what a miss! Look at.
Did you long or short?
I longed right here. Stopped out.
Oh.
Break even. Then I mentioned down here, this could be an interesting long.
Sam, I was also thinking about going long too. I never pulled the trigger.
Yeah, 20 period moving average. And I remember watching it just going, wow, bar, buy bar,
Yep.
buy bar, buy bar. Let's see, buy bar. Finally taking a partial here. Stop below the pivot, out. And then here's the first entry, but you can do a secondary entry. And let's see where it went. I think it's looks like it may have topped out right there. Let's see. No. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, I got over that pivot. That's crazy. Oh, what was that one yesterday that you traded? And I think you jumped in and I was saying, oh, maybe it was today. I said, be careful, it's probably going to pull back. And then he said, oh, I'm stopping out now.
Oh.
Was it TMO? Was it PTON? Let's see.
PTON. Oh, okay. I think you mentioned, but I never traded.
This one? Gosh. There was something I think you jumped in and it went up against you. And you said, I'm stopping out if it gets above the VWAP.
Oh, that's STT maybe? I think it's STT.
Oh, okay, STT. Okay, so that one we already went over, but
yeah.
Oh, okay, I remember. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you shorted like right here, right?
Yeah, and then I add to it, and then add to it, and then I'm become kind of big, and I took a half a
Yeah, I was
dollar.
saying, yeah, I was saying, okay, be careful because the 20's up here and we're shorting here.
Yeah.
So as a rule of thumb, I guess the best trades happen close to like moving averages.
Mm.
But yeah, I see. Oh, this is hard. Well, this is not bad right here. I'll show you something I noticed is this. And then I'm gonna get going, but I just wanted to show you this and then this. Oh, sorry, my bad. This.
Mm.
That's a nice move.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, these are tough. Tough day. If I go to percent change, that's a beautiful, beautiful. Can't even, I can't draw it, but you know what I'm saying? Like lower highs,
Yeah.
showing that buyers cannot take it higher, cannot take it higher.
Yeah, that's a
And then
nice.
get,
It's a nice. I don't know, level 3, level 4.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a level 4?
Oh, there probably could be, but I just basically said anytime you get multiple taps,
Yeah.
I just figured that's a level 3. So, and then a level 1 is just a single bar,
Mm.
like just jumping in like that with your stop above this bar.
Yeah.
That'd be like a level 1. A level 2 would be like a pivot. So like this to this to breaking down, right?
Mm.
You got underneath there could be a level 2 because you got that Hikaki bar
Mm.
and you're shorting that pivot. Here's a level 1 single bar. There's this is tough. But yeah, that worked great. Let's see, TOST. Very choppy. But, there are entries. Like this is hot. This is tough, but that's an entry. There's an entry right here. There's an entry right here. This would have probably given me a failed move down. But there's another entry right there. And then here's the transition. There's an entry long when it got over the 20.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's definitely something that, would it's a test for sure today of our patience and, oh gosh. These are kind of my favorites when basically the stock goes down like this and does all this chop and I just stay away from it and then I see it finally makes a move and I'm just watching it to see what it does and then it comes back up and then it goes down and I can just jump in right here risking like that and get that move,
Yeah.
and then from that point on it seems to start now working. It gets this move. But all this chop, staying away from and waiting for it to clear it, I guess, is sort of like the key. That's tough, very tough. Yeah. Oh wait. That's nice.
Is that 15 minutes?
Yeah, 20 period moving average and the VWAP. Nice drop. Here, I'll just show you some more. Go to Fry. Next one. That's nice. Here's all this.
Wow.
Short. Get the nice three moves. 1, 2.
Look at
Three.
that 5 minutes. That is beautiful.
Oh, and the 5 minutes really nice too.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Gorgeous. Look where it bottomed out too. Nice. Bar by bar, right? And then as soon as you got this bar, you could go in long, small shares, and then add, or whatever you wanted to add. Reduce your stop loss, and then you get that move up to VWAP. Take your partial, and then this is where Stock Block really likes to find his stuff. Is he does this. He goes with the trend, and he's waiting for a 5-minute new low, right here. He's waiting for then a green bar. And that green bar happens to also be a Hikaki, which is one of his favorites. The Doji Hammer, inside bar, and Hikaki. So he'd short right there rather than right there. He wouldn't short that first move. He'd short that move. Write it down bar by bar. Take a partial. And then you get another setup. Write that down. Partial. Pivot. Out. Pivot. And okay, let's see what happened when that pivot was done. Did it go any lower? Nope. Yep, so basically that signified the trend for at least a little while was just going to be choppy. That's what I've noticed. Whenever you get a break in a pivot, it seems like that's sort of a signal of, hey, okay, no longer are we, going to trend anymore. We're going to do something else for a little while. Oh, this is really good. Let me pull up the 2 minutes so you can see why I really like using the 2 minute in the morning. It's going to be pretty nasty, but you can see most people are thinking this is a short. But I'm thinking it could definitely be a short. It's just forming this channel. When that 20-period moving average starts curving up, that's my long. That's my add. And then there it goes. Just like what happened on AMD that one day. When I woke up late for trading, and yeah, it was the AMD.
Was it yesterday or the day before?
Yeah, I think it was. Oh my goodness. Oh. It was this one. Yeah, right there. So that's why I love the this 8-period moving average, this blue line.
Yeah.
That's really the 2 minute 20. So the 2 minute 20, it's riding the 2 minute 20 and just taking it long right there at that level. Level 2, right? It's a pivot. Taking it long, bar by bar.
Yeah,
I got out. Yeah.
I shorted
Then we
you
shorted.
up there.
Yeah, we remember this, right? We shorted it. I took a stop out, shorted it again.
Yep.
Made back a little bit, got out, and then
right all the way to that twin tower.
Yeah. Dang, yeah. All right. Well, that was a good sharing. Did you want to go over anything or before I run
I think
out?
we went over pretty much
Yeah.
all the trade that I took already.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we
Um,
see if we missed any good long setups today.
let me see.
Oh goodness, what is that? Can't even trade that. Oh god.
If we have trade AAOI, we could have got maybe two directions.
Hey. Oh wow. Yeah. This is where I disagree with Ed's technique. Is Ed will take any trade that breaks out above a previous high. So he would go long right here.
Yeah.
As long as it's before 11:30. Then after 11:30, he will wait for this bar to finish.
Yeah.
And he'll take the next bar. So it's even worse. Because
Yeah.
if he went long right here, I mean, if he didn't go long right here, he would take this long, only to basically have it dump on him right here. But he normally doesn't get out on this bar. He'll normally get out on this bar. So he's kind of like you. He lets the bar finish and then he gets out on the next bar.
Well,
But
I mean,
I don't know.
I think that's still a good strategy. Just on this day, it's just not working.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it worked right here, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it worked. And this is before 11, so he would have jumped in there.
Yeah.
And then he's going up and up and up, and he's probably taking his partials.
And then he probably add up there. Yeah, where would he get out?
I think he gets out when he goes back down to break even.
Oh. He didn't
But
get
he
out
takes partials. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess
he also
for me,
tends, yeah.
For me, I would have
What
get
were you
out
saying?
the.
Sorry, my bad.
For me, I would maybe take a partial where he was, and then
Yeah.
get out below that candle.
Oh yeah, I agree. There's no point. Well, also we're seeing it in hindsight. You know, I guess. You know, every strategy has its days that they work and days that they don't work.
Yeah.
And every management has its days where if you just did a different types of management, you would have made more, right?
Yeah.
But I think it's all about just staying consistently.
Yeah.
And then also going over your trades and seeing if you need to change anything. Because maybe there is, like, let's say I think to go over things is really important because you see what you're missing out on.
Yeah.
You know, like, for instance, this is beautiful.
But today the market just kind of like trying went up, come down, trying up again, come down, sideways. But yeah, I mean it's a lot of strategy. Probably it would be hard to work.
Yeah. I'm surprised. I'm surprised we did pretty good. So.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, I gotta run.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, but good trades tomorrow. You know, we'll just keep doing it because